Trading futures and options involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. You should consult with your financial advisor to determine if such trading is appropriate for your financial situation and experience. ITG Capital Management LLC and its affiliates make no guarantees of performance, accuracy, or profit from the use of any trading system, signal, or algorithm, including ITG Quantum AI or any educational strategy. Welcome back to ITG Edge instructional videos. In this session, we continue our exploration of how slight changes in algorithm settings can significantly impact the behavior and results of the ITG Quantum AI v.203 trading algorithm. For this example, we return to the original settings used in Video 1, trading NASDAQ futures with end-of-bar entry timing. But this time, we make one important change. We're disabling the super trend consistency requirement. By removing this filter, we allow the AI to freely choose trade direction the moment a valid signal is generated, without having to confirm alignment with the super trend indicator. This adjustment increases the number of trading signals available for the algorithm to act on. Without that layer of confirmation, the AI becomes more active, taking advantage of more opportunities, but also accepting more risk. And the result? As shown at the end of this video, our final trading profit more than doubled, rising from $12,700 in our original test to over $25,355 in this run. Chart increasing, it's a compelling result. But once again, we offer a word of caution. Higher returns are a direct result of increased risk exposure. Without super trend confirmation, the algorithm may enter trades more frequently, which increases your time in the market and the chance of getting caught in fast price reversals. It's important to understand that no filter means no safety net. While profit potential increases, so does the risk of losses. Risk disclosure. Futures trading carries substantial risk and is not suitable for all investors. It's possible to lose more than your initial investment. The performance shown is hypothetical and presented for educational purposes only. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Please use caution and conduct proper testing before applying any settings to a live account. For more information, visit us at www.itgedge.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.